Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for the month of August for Aquarius. In this reading we will see the overall energy for the month, the obstacles or challenges, guidance and action, and the probable outcome. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me, right? So let's see what do the cards have for you, Aquarius, for the month of August 2025. What's coming in for Aquarius for the month of August 2025? Aquarius, please. For Aquarius, please. Aquarius, please. Whoa, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have the High Priestess. You are stuck between the messages you are getting from your head and heart. You're not able to think clearly as of now, I see. Like it's happening deep down, okay? It may not be visible at a surface level, but it's happening deep down that there are so many, you're going through mood swings, okay? Right now you're like, sometimes you feel happy and sometimes you feel sad. Sometimes you're like, okay, I'll do this, and next moment you're like, no, I should not do this. So there is so much of chaos is happening in you, within you, that you're not able to think clearly. Let's see what's happening. Let's see. Okay, so overall energy I see is there is a situation which has happened, and maybe because of that you were you are not able to think clearly, and it has caused you so much pain at an emotional level. Maybe you have gone through a betrayal, or you have gone through end of a cycle which was very painful for you, and you feel like it's over, and it's kind of very heavy for you as of now to deal with it. You are at pain, all I can say, in a simplest way is like you are in pain and not able to show it to the world. Okay, so you have kind of dealt with a situation which has left you with this energy of over, it's over, now you have to, like, nothing is left in that connection. And maybe in your work area you may have put so much of efforts on a work or something, and you did not get the reward, or maybe you know you were told to step out from a particular project. It may be for very specific, but that kind of energy, these are some of the things I don't know, I'm getting in my head. So it's like that kind of situation has happened which has caused you so much of pain. Maybe in a relationship, one of the connection, a strong connection, just got over, and you are kind of dealing with it patiently and calmly, and that is what you should do. It will get over, don't worry. It's like, it's like sometimes just things are so heavy that we feel it's over and everything is finished. No, it's not. Sometimes you need to change your perspective and see that ending of something can be also a new beginning for something, right? So just don't give up. I know you are dealing with so much of this energy of defensive energy, that not letting the other people to hurt you. Somewhere you are creating guards, you have built up the guards around you that no one can hurt you, or you are kind of at the same time trying to defend yourself that no, I am, I'm strong enough to deal with this. I know nobody can defeat me, and I know I will stand my grounds and I will fight for what is there. So you are in that defensive mindset or defensive phase of your life where you are not giving up. At the same time you might feel tired, but the advice for you, what you are doing is right. Do not give up. Just just try to sometimes it's important that we show our worth. Maybe the person is not able to see and we need to show it, right? So whatever you are doing, just keep doing it and don't give up. Don't give up on anything. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on you know uh, fighting or overcoming this situation or overcoming this painful energy or this healing energy. Don't give up on anything. Just do whatever you're doing and you will get the result. I also see that you have to, stand your ground, as I was saying, right? You need to stand your ground. You don't have to leave. These cards are giving the same message, that don't give up. You have been putting so much of efforts till now, and maybe for some of you, I strongly feel this is at your workplace where you are being given extra task, or you are being assigned somebody else task which is not yours to carry, but you are like, okay, fine, I'll do it. So when you're saying you will do it, you also have to be mindful that you're this habit of not saying no will let the other person take advantage of you. All right, Aquarius, so you need to be mindful of it, ki how much you are going to take it. Okay, don't take everything on your plate, okay, because it will be difficult for you to work on your own important things then, right? So don't leave your ground, but at the same time be confident. You don't have to be like a doormat that the other person will step on you and move ahead. No, don't let that happen to you. Okay, so stand on your grounds, be very careful and clear with what you will tolerate and what you will not. Don't stop fighting for what is yours, and you will definitely get the success. Because sometimes it's like, if you give up, the other person will say, if the Aquarius is not serious enough to fight for what do they want, why should we bother about it? That kind of situation also happens. So don't give up. You need to be very confident. See, again this thing is coming, that you need to be very confident about and clear about what do you want. Okay, so once you know what you will tolerate and what you will not, only then people will respect you. Okay, it's like, until and unless you respect yourself, others will not, right? So that kind of message is coming in, that you need to be very clear and determined and focused, and very setting the boundaries wherever is required, basically. All right, so that is what I see, and that will be your strength. Okay, that will be your strength, and that will be the important thing for you to do during the month of August, so that the other person will not do what they have done before, and you are not always in that defensive mindset. Maybe, if for example, if you're working in a team, maybe you are the one who has put 80% of your efforts in that project, and now everybody is taking the credit for what you have done. And if you will keep quiet on that, people will keep on repeating it, right? So this was just an example. So you need to be very clear what you bring to the table, and that you have put efforts, and nobody else can take the credit of it. Same thing goes for your relationships. If you are being tired of giving, sometimes you need to hold back, right? And let the other person realize your worth, right? So just create specific boundaries or certain boundaries wherever you feel things are not, acceptable or going beyond your tolerance. Just create firm boundaries, and don't let others overpower it or overpower you emotionally, mentally, in any way. So that is what you have to do, because once you do it, things will definitely work in your favor. Your tough time, what you have been going through, it will get over and things will work in your favor. Okay, this may be a bit of dicey month, I see, but if you do not give up on any situation, you do not give up on yourself, you will definitely see things working in your favor by the end of the month, or for a particular situation you will start seeing the positive changes coming your way. Okay, because the universe is like, until and unless you respect yourself, I will not send you people who will respect you. Okay, that is how the universe works. So you need to understand and make the changes whatever is required. You need to learn the lessons from your past mistakes or past situations, and then take action accordingly, and that's how things will work in your favor. By end of the month, I see, for in some of the situations, the outcome will be like, you may also get to know the true colors of the people who were showing uh, portraying as a friend, but actually they had hidden agendas. You may also get to know that truth, and then you will be having much more clarity on which way you have to go. All right, so that is what is happening, but overall I see the outcome will be in your favor. Things will definitely work out towards your betterment and your growth. So do claim this energy by commenting that you claim the positive energy and the outcome in your favor. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights and hit the like button. So that's it for you, Aquarius. Bye bye.